Yun, Papadan TV in the house. So ngayon, manonood tayo ng mga creepy na mga palabas. Yun ang gagawin natin trip ngayon. So actually, hindi tayo naniniwala sa mga ganyang bagay, no? Kasi totally wala namang katotohanan, sigurado ito. Pero meron nag-recommend sa atin na manood daw ako nito kasi totoong-totoo daw ito. Sabi ng mga kaibigan, mga tropa natin dyan. So pupunta tayo dito sa may YouTube to, nasa YouTube tayo. So simulan na natin. Yan. Andito tayo ngayon sa Nuke's Top 5 ng creepy, no? So, simulan na natin. Let's get it on. So, ayan. Nandito na tayo sa headset pala, headset.
This next video was sent in by a Nuke's Top 5 viewer, but unfortunately, it was posted to the internet without a source. So the story goes that a woman claimed to have a doll that was haunted, and she said that she would often catch it moving all on its own. After being asked repeatedly by viewers, she decided to point a camera at the doll and live stream the entire thing. Around an hour in, with skeptical viewers watching closely, there was a bit of movement. Watch closely.
Pinost ko, no? Actually, madali lang yung ganito eh. Parang napakadali lang gawin ng mga ganitong bagay, no? Pwedeng meron ditong tao dito sa likod. Diba? Tsaka yung setup ng doll, siguro sinetup niya para nga makita niya. Pero bakit yung likod yung gumalaw, no? Parang hindi siya totoo. So, isa pa, game. Sa TikTok pa nga. Ay, wala. TikTok to eh. Alam na to. Hindi ako kumbinsido. Pansin nyo, andun lang yung mga bagay doon sa lugar na hindi siya nakikita. Sigurado may tao rito, dito sa likod na yan. Sure yan.
Now, the doll doesn't actually move, but the items surrounding it in the storage closet fly violently across the room.
Pwede namang gumalaw to. Pwede namang may gumalaw dito, something sa kita. No, pero lahat ng gumagalaw nandito sa likod. So, dito to, sigurado to.
And even on top of the doll, viewers have speculated that because the doll was buried.
Pero creepy yung mga doll talaga, kung tutuusin lang. Yung mga ganyan, nakakatakot talaga yan.
In the debris, that the woman's doll isn't even actually haunted, but perhaps her house is. However, others claim that the supernatural activity is centered around the doll. And some even claim that they saw the doll move in the video before everything came crashing down. But without a source, we'll never know. So, what do you think? A hug goodbye. A woman who calls herself Sissy says that her husband passed away 8 months ago under very sudden and unexpected circumstances. One day, as Sissy and her son Clarence are walking out of their front door, their Ring camera records something very strange.
Okay, naglalakad siya, no?
Can I go, Grandma? Come on. Let's go.
I'll watch you.
She's got kind of so sad. Yeah.
Dada! Upstairs, hurry me. Daddy hugging me.
Oh, wait. No. Okay. Oop, come on, Clarence. I think my mom's not fun. Okay.
Bye, Daddy.
Siguro yung bata, namimiss niya na talaga yung daddy niya dahil nga sa kwento, namatay na nga. So parang yung bata nakatingin sa CCTV, no? So baka yun yung reason kung bakit nakikipag-usap yung bata siguro ng mga past. Nakikipag-usap yung tatay through camera. Hindi naman na imposible yun ngayon. Pero nakakaantig naman yung ganito. Nakakalungkot.
To ask. What'd you say, bud? You say bye too?
Say bye. I say bye, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Nothing.
Now, Sissy posted the video because she thought it was just a little odd and kinda cute that her son was talking to his dad who passed away. She made no claims that the clip was paranormal, but when she posted the video online, viewers began to point out that there also seemed to be a strange voice in the clip. A voice that they thought might actually be the little boy's father, communicating from beyond. Now I'll enhance the audio and listen carefully just as little Clarence walks out of the door.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Dada.
May bumulong eh. May bumulong.
A quiet voice seems to whisper, "Honey," and the boy seems to look around as if searching for who said it. Even stranger, he seems to think that it's the voice of his deceased father and actually walks over as if his dad is.
Feeling ko, ito yung bumulong na ng honey. Kasi lumabas yung pinto. Baka mapano yung bata, no? Pero sobrang non-believer ko naman. So, bigyan na rin natin ng credit na tong total baby naman siya. So, let's go.
Standing nearby on the porch, the little boy says, "Daddy hugging me." And again, a strange, quiet voice seems to whisper back.
Dada. Upstairs. Hurry me.
A jacket for her.
Daddy hugging
A
me.
doll.
What?
Oh, wait. No. Okay. Oop, come on, Clarence. I think my
Daddy hugging
A doll.
me.
Pero parang may kausap nga yung bata, no? Parang meron siyang kausap.
What?
Oh, wait. No. Okay. Oop, come on, Clarence. I think my
So did little Clarence actually encounter the spirit of his
Hindi ito nakakatakot eh. Hindi siya nakakatakot. So, di rin natin masabi kasi bata to eh.
deceased dad, saying hello and giving him a quick hug? Clarence seems to think so. But as usual, you decide.
What, Daddy?
Witchboard. A woman is doing a
Witchboard. QJ yata to. Medyo creepy to.
solo investigation of a haunted house and is using a Ouija board to contact a spirit
Ouija
named
board.
Brenda that she believes inhabits the home. But as she conducts her Ouija board session, she begins to suspect that she might be in contact with something much more sinister.
Am I dealing or am I speaking with the devil right now through
No.
this Ouija board? It is not.
Actually, sa mga ganito, in terms na devil na, no? Parang medyo creepy na yan. Hindi na normal yan. Yan na hindi na normal.
Brenda, you've just said it's Brenda. It's not Brenda, is it? Oh my god. I'm trying to take deep breaths. Who am I communicating? I'm losing my. Who am I communicating with through this board? My nose is bleeding right now. Oh my god. The demon it's trying to say.
Iba na kasi yan eh. Hindi na siya yung multo-multo eh, no? Hindi ako naniniwala sa multo pero parang pagka ganito na, pwede to.
I know I've got no tissue, but my nose is bleeding right now. The body's moving. Oh my god, right, that's it, I'm done, I'm off. I'm sorry guys.
She hears a strange sound from the floor above her and her nose starts to bleed. But still, she decides to continue her session. Suddenly, the Ouija board flies off the table and finally...
Pero nakakapagtaka, no? Yung hawak niya, laging lumilipad yan sa mga lugar na hindi kita eh. Hindi pwede naman siyang umangat pa ganito, pa ganito. Pwede namang lumutang, no? Pero laging palayo, pahatak, parang laging may humahatak. So, I'm not convinced pa rin. Hindi
She
pa.
decides that she has had about enough, and she just gets out of there.
Hindi pa rin ako
A
convinced.
guy named Angelo decides to camp in a forest that is said to be haunted. He's a
Actually, yung mga ganito na try ko na, wala namang kakaiba.
bit unnerved by the spooky surroundings, but nevertheless, he decides to try to contact any nearby spirits with a Ouija board. As you might expect, it did not go well.
Just heard something move outside the tent.
Actually, yung pakikipag-communicate sa ganito, ano yan eh, parang a bad thing, no? Na gagawin mo. Hindi siya napakaganda na makikipag-communicate ka. So, tingnan natin.
Okay, I'm gonna end the session for a second, okay? I'm closing off the session.
Ano yan? Kutsilyo? Nagdala na siya ng kutsilyo. So, siguro natakot nga siya. Let's go.
I don't see anything. That was weird.
Isipin mo, no, out of nowhere, maglalaro ka ng ganyan. Ang nakakatakot kasi sa mga ganitong setup, yung mga tao na pagtitripan ka, no? Yung mga tao na magtitrip sa'yo sa ganyang kagubatan. Pero sa mga multo, I'm not sure.
It literally walked as it walked. It literally sounded as if,
Stacy.
what the was that?
Parang hayop, no?
Nope, no. That's... I don't know what the hell that was. I don't know if I want to know what the hell that was. What do I do? Honestly, I think I should probably leave. Yeah, let's, I think I'm gonna do that.
Angelo begins to freak out from the strange sounds that seem to surround his tent and decides it's time to leave.
Okay.
Kita mo yung daan. Napaka-creepy, no? Kung maglalakad ka dyan ng gabi, nakatakot talaga. Pero para sa akin, mas nakakatakot kung may taong nagtitrip. Mga hold-upper, ganyan. Mas nakakatakot yan.
It's just down that way. Oh, that was a really bad idea. Okay. I just heard something. Something made a sound in my ear. What the What the was that? Nope.
Yung paglingon mo, no? May tao nasa likod mo, no? Yun yung nakakatakot. Pero dito naman, wala eh.
Nope. Let's just go. There's the exit.
A guy named Brendan Castagnon says that he used a Ouija board in his house but didn't sign off properly at the end of the session. He claims that after this, he began to experience strange paranormal incidents in his home. One night, he awakens to the sound of something moving around in the other room. He grabs his phone and starts to record.
Pagbukas mo, no, may nakatayo sa pinto. Creepy, no? Pero bakit kaya galing yung mga setup na multo, no? Yung mga setup na multo. Pasilip-silip lang. Parang sila pa yung takot, no? Parang sila pa yung takot sa tao. Buksan mo yung bintana, baka dyan dumaan yung tropa mo. Yan.
A strange pale face seems to peek around the corner, but when Brendown approaches, there's nothing there. Now terrified, he tries to retreat back to his room, but the door slams shut right in front of him. Brendown Castagnon says that after this incident, he never used the Ouija board again, and thankfully, the supernatural incidents in his home have slowly stopped occurring. Abandoned or not? A guy who calls himself
Hindi ako convinced din dun. Parang, alam mo naman sa kwarto eh. Kaya ko nga gumawa ng ganyan. Mga ganyang setup ng nakakatakot.
Native Penguin was doing some urban exploring on the grounds of the Cherokee Heritage Center in Park Hill, Oklahoma. The collection of old buildings were built on the
Balik tayo ron.
again, and thankfully the
mo.
supernatural
May nakita ka na ganyan. Lalapit ka pa ba dyan? Siyempre hindi na. Di ba? Hindi na lalapit dyan. Nakakatakot na yan. Tapos papasukin mo pa.
incidents in his home have slowly stopped occurring.
Di ba? Tapos, alam mo na may sumilip doon. Umatras ka pa.
Abandoned or not?
Ay, nako.
A guy who calls himself Native Penguin was doing some urban exploring on the grounds of the Cherokee Heritage Center in Park Hill, Oklahoma. The collection of old buildings were built on the site of the former Cherokee Female Seminary, a boarding school for girls that burnt to the ground in 1887. Suddenly, Native Penguin starts to hear something very strange.
Am I tripping or is there something going on in here? What the?
Yung mga ganito, setup na to. Hindi ako naniniwala sa mga ganito. Sa tingin ko, setup siya. Nilagyan lang nila na parang speaker kasi boses, parang nasa speaker yung nagsasalita.
After moving to Indian Territory, Cherokee Nation set aside 1 acre of ground for each church congregation. Moravians, Baptists.
Dude, that's so creepy. Why is this?
Oo, close yan. Lalo na
Even
ito
though the
nandyan.
center has been closed down for years, there's an odd recorded message playing inside one of the buildings. Native Penguin looks in the windows to try to figure out just what.
Halata mong nagtitrip siya no?
Even though the
Halata mong nagtitrip, naglabas siya ng cellphone. Halatang... Pero yung gamit niya na parang GoPro nasa dibdib niya yata, nasa ulo, yung pa rin yung pinangkuha doon. O baka mali lang ako.
After moving to Indian Territory, Cherokee Nation set aside 1 acre of ground for each church congregation. Moravians, Baptists.
Dude, that's so
Hindi.
creepy.
Cellphone nga yung pinangkuha niya, cellphone. Mali ako.
Why is this?
Even though the center has been closed down for years, there's an odd recorded message playing inside one of the buildings. Native Penguin looks in the windows to try to figure out just what is going on. He captures something on camera that is truly bizarre.
Okay. Dude, that scared me. I was like, there's someone in there.
Ang masaklap niyang pagsilip niya, may mga tao lang.
At Mount Zion Church, where I pastor, we conduct our services in both languages through English. And when we have a completely Cherokee audience,
Some strange white apparition seems to glide by just behind the building's old wood stove and disappears. Now, some viewers say it looks like a girl in a white gown, but what do you see? Did Native Penguin capture
Edit.
the spirit of one of the girls from the old burned school that once stood? Some viewers say it looks like a girl in a white gown, but what do you see? Did Native Penguin capture the spirit of one of the girls from the old burned school that
Edit.
once stood here? You decide. Driven to the grave. A man named Mark DeFalco is on his daily walk around his neighborhood when he notices that a car has crashed through the fence of the local graveyard. He starts to film, and what he captures is absolutely unnerving.
So, nakaka-13 minutes na tayo. Wala. Shutdown to, shutdown. Ayoko ng mga ganito. Wala siyang, hindi nakakatakot. So, yun lang. Mag-share lang kayo ng mga nakakatakot na video para ma-reaction na natin yan, no? So, let's go.